Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add crypto address on Changelly. Well, it's quite easy. First of all, open the application, make sure that you are logged into your account just like this. And after doing that, all you have to do is tap on this account icon right here, and from here tap on my addresses. So after doing that, here you can get the option of add right here. So if you simply tap on this add option, so after tapping on add here, you can see the option of label. So you can simply add down the label of your address, and here you'll have to write down the actual address. And if you want the QR of the address, you can simply tap on this option right here, then you will get the QR of your address. So here you can also see the option of your cryptocurrency. So currently here you can see we have Bitcoin. If you want to change it to another currency, you can drag down this button right here and then select any other currency just like this. And when you're done with it, you can tap on save address, and just like this, you'll be successfully adding address on your Changelly account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.